Hello and welcome to another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. And recently one of our viewers asked, when are you going to start making cocktails with something besides ginger? And today's that day. So for today we have our Berry Bramble cocktail. Now this is a variation on a cocktail from Wild Roots Vodka. We're actually going to be using the Wild Roots Marionberry Vodka as part of this, but everything else is kind of our own variation. We're going to start out with some ice in our rocks glass. All right, then we're going to take 2 ounces of our raspberry lemonade. We're going to take an ounce of our blackberry lemonade. And an ounce each of the Wild Roots Marionberry Vodka. And a nice dry gin. Today we're actually using New Deal's Portland Dry Gin. Roll that around a little bit. And we're going to garnish with some raspberries and blackberries. Just float a few in there. And there you go. Our Berry Bramble cocktail. So thank you for joining us for another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. Today's recipe can be found in the description below the video, as well as on our website at bozbev.com. That's BOZBEV.com, along with all of our other recipes and our products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.